Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Wequeen Hair. Shout out to you, Wequeen, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. As you guys can see right here, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this unit is 28 inches long, honey. This unit is a 13 by 5 knotless braided wig. And yeah, if you are interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Wequeen Hair. Shout out to you, Wequeen, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This is not my first time reviewing a braided wig from this company. Like, I actually had one of their braided wigs in my top 5 braided wigs playlist. If you guys have not seen that video, I'm gonna put up the playlist up here so you guys can check out the top 5. But yeah, I did have one, and I mentioned in that particular video that I had a wig that was going to be coming up that I would be reviewing soon from this particular company. So before we get into that, I want to say the company did mention to me that they do have some coupon codes for you guys, and the coupon codes are, you can get 18% off using the code BROWN if you get for one whole wig, and the other discount is 25% off if you get 2 braided wigs. And they did mention the fact that I did do another braided wig for them. In case you guys want to get 2, you can get 25% off. So I'll have those codes and stuff listed down below in the description box so you guys can use it to get you some coins off, honey. Okay, and yeah, now let's get into the details and specs of this particular unit. Okay, so the unit that I have is a knotless braided lace wig. It's 28 inches long, and there's no plucking needed, no bleaching needed, no glue needed. It has the elastic band back there. Does it? Yeah. I think so. And yeah, that is basically all the details and stuff with this wig. Like, when it comes to braided wigs, obviously, you know, there's no shedding, no tangling, because it's braids, girl, okay? And these are knotless braids. Now, these wigs are pretty lightweight, like, you can't beat it. The thing is, it is glueless, honey, because she is tight, okay? She is tight. So the fact that she is tight on me makes me feel like it's more small to medium head friendly. I feel like if you have a medium sized head and you know your circumference, your head circumference, then you can get this wig and it won't be an issue, and you can definitely probably wear her glueless if you wanted to. But if your head is more on the larger side, you may really struggle, honey, and your head may feel like she can't breathe, okay? So I want to kind of throw that out there so you guys will know. I don't want you spending your coins on something that may or may not fit. Another thing that I kind of want to throw out there is that the lace is pretty dark, and I was kind of showing you guys that at the beginning just so you guys could see the, like, from my skin tone with the lace. Now, after everything is said and done, it doesn't look too bad. Let me cut off these lights so maybe you can see a little better. I had to change my remote battery and everything, but let me turn off this light so you guys can probably see it better. Well, you can't see it all now. But the lace is darker than my actual skin, so it depends on you. That could be an issue. I feel like if you're my shade or lighter, then it will be darker, and you know, you can finesse it. I feel like I finessed it okay, but it is definitely noticeable in person, okay? So that's the thing. Now, if you are a little bit darker than me, I don't think you would have an issue with this lace color whatsoever, but I did want to throw that out there for people that are my complexion or lighter. Now, I do wear makeup that is darker than my skin, so it does look a little bit better once I apply my makeup, my foundation and all of that. But in general, it's considerably darker than me. So I did want to throw that out there as well. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. If I'm not mistaken, this wig did come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. Now, I could be wrong, but I'll reiterate that in the intro portion of this video. You guys know how I do, okay? So yeah, that is basically it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check. Okay, so this is where the unit comes to me in the front. And this is where it comes to me in the back. Okay, so now we can get into how I feel about this wig and what all products I used and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, then please continue. Okay, so honestly, this wig is a look to me. I do have a hump here, but y'all, honestly, this is hair. Okay, this is not the wig, this is hair, because my hair has grown and it's not at a length that I can personally braid it, because I don't know how to braid that well. So that hump is me, on top of the fact that my head is sort of made like that. Like I mentioned that in my top 5 braided wig thing, my head is made like a slope, okay? And honestly, my dad's head is made like that, child. I didn't even know my head was made like my dad's head before I saw it, okay? I did get a comment saying to stop doing random talking. Child, bye, okay? Child, bye. But anyway, so yeah, that's what that hump is. Yeah. I also wanted to mention that they did say that you can get some of these little accessories. I always love that with this particular company, that I get all these accessories. They mentioned that you can get it, but they said that the supply is limited, so it'll be a first come first serve type of deal. So I want to throw that out there as well, because I love the little knickknacks and I love applying them to my braided wigs. You guys know I always like to decorate my braided wigs a little bit, and yeah, I really like it. I think it is really cute, and I know you guys are interested in what it looks like in the back. So when I do my full 360, I'll open her up back there so you guys can kind of see what it looks like back there. And I do feel like you should be able to wear this wig in a half up, half down style. You know, maybe put a little bun on the top of your head or whatever your swag is, girl. Okay, you can do that. And yeah, that is basically it. So I'm feeling it. I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe. I only use my even edge control on my baby hairs, and that is it, girl. Okay, I also want to mention that I did do the ball cap method. If I haven't mentioned that or not, I don't know, but I did do the ball cap method with this braided wig. And I also used my Sephora Micro Smooth to you know, put a little bit some in there. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Can y'all see? I know the back is the biggest thing for everybody, so I want you guys to get a good look at it. And this is it on the right side. I also want to mention that this unit is super lightweight. The hair feels really good. It feels like real braids. You know how sometimes some hair feels like not braids? I don't know, they have like a weird feel to them. That is not what this unit feels like. It feels like braids, okay? So I love that about this wig too, that it just, you know, that it feels like braids, girl, okay? So yeah, I love that. That's a vibe to me for sure. And yeah, okay, now we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I may have them out. Feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Help Me See on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.